we'll show you this one, which is the 169vud. So this is an east to west bed. If you're tall like I am, this is going to present challenges the way that it is. I literally would have to sleep diagonal on here or crawl up into the fetal position, okay? As you can see, there are some cubbies down there, or a cubby down there. You do have hanging shelf here, and then these open up as well, and that goes all the way down and through. You do have a dinette, and there is storage underneath those benches, okay? Across from that is your kitchen. You've got a round sink right here. Some more cabinetry down here. Actually, these are pull-out drawers. All right, let's see what's there. There's a cabinet there. And then above, we've got some cabinets up here. These are pretty big. Oh, I love that.
Yeah, that's nice.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Right? Little 2-burner stove, microwave beneath it, and a cabinet beneath that. This happens to have some bunks. They are very narrow and very skinny, but they would be fine for short term. You do have a Furrion 12-volt refrigerator freezer. Okay. It does look nice in here, Jesse. Yeah. If you're also just sort of looking for quality as well, it does look nice. Now this bathroom is actually quite huge for a tiny trailer.
It is. I'm surprised.
All right, so that is normal seating position right here. So definitely tall and fluffy approved, okay? Actually, it's a decent sized sink, but there's just a little bit of countertop space.
Yeah.
There's a cabinet underneath, right? It's only sort of half storage. There's no medicine cabinet in here. It's just the glass mounted straight to the wall. And you do have this tiny little sort of triangular-ish sort of corner shower. This is here. I'll take it. It'll be a little easier to show from here. There we go. Sort of the little triangular-ish shower. And the little bubble up top, I'm not sure I'm going to fit in. So
that's why I was showing the step up, because I wasn't sure you would fit either.
I actually do fit, but nice. As you can see, and it's got a curtain. This is really tight for me. It's going to be a standstill. I suppose I can rotate a little bit, but look, I got a hat on. If I take the hat off, this one's a little tight for someone my size. Okay, so I'm in between. I fit, but it's constricting for someone my height.
Great for short term, but
yeah, we're not going to go thumbs up. We're not going to go thumbs down.
Yeah,
but challenging.